Howdy folks, welcome to Nightbird. It's a lovely day out here in Golden, Colorado. Temperature, it's probably just about 72, maybe 3 degrees cooler, Today is, let's see, what's today? September 14th, 15th, sorry, that's a lot, 15th, and it's a Friday. Clearly I don't seem to be all here because I'm quite anxious. It's a beautiful freaking day and well, I hope you enjoy.
Got to the peak of Nightbird. A little more strenuous than yesterday. A lot more strenuous than yesterday. This is actually the tallest mountain in the northwestern region of Colorado. 18,000 feet in elevation. We did it in an hour and 15 minutes.
Fake news.
And we're gonna come down pretty soon. We had to start heading down because we were running out of oxygen up there at 18,000 feet. But we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Ladies and gentlemen, to the right is the Coors Brewing Facility here in Golden, Colorado. It is a known fact that every gas station in Golden only sells Coors Light. If you want to get any other type of beer, you have to drive 20 miles to get any other brew. So, fun fact of the day. Yo, 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 it's your boys. We're heading over to Torchy's Tacos to get some Grubhub. We're actually sponsored by Grubhub, so I'll put the link in the description. Make sure to click it and use my coupon code AlexSheen for 50% off. We just got to Torchy's, about to go have some Mex Tex. Just got done at Torchy's Tacos, heading home. What up? Just got back to Regis. We had a great day. We hiked, we ate some good food, and I'm cashed. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Be sure to comment what you guys think I should do next.